Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Here is Akhtar Said. Please open your English books at page number 2. This is Lecture 1, Starter. Its name is Adventures of Isabel. It is a comic poem written by Ogden Nash. So let's start. Isabel met an enormous bear. Enormous means big. Bear, we call it bhalu as well. Just see the picture of this bear. It is very big, and Isabel is a small girl standing by the bear. Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel did not care. So she meets an enormous bear, a very big bear, but she is not afraid of the size of the bear. Normally, the children get afraid of the animals, but Isabel is not afraid of this bear. The bear was hungry, and the bear was ravenous. Hungry and ravenous have the same meanings. Hungry and ravenous. Ravenous means very hungry, extremely hungry. So the bear is very much hungry, and the bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. Cavernous means cave like space. You can see in the picture, its mouth is wide open as the entrance of a cave. It means that he is very angry. He is very hungry as well as angry. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. Obviously, he is glad to meet her because he is hungry. He feels that he can eat very nice sweet meat of Isabel. How do, Isabel, now? I'll eat you. And he says, Isabel, I'm hungry and I'll eat you. Isabel, didn't worry. But on the other hand, Isabel is a smart girl. She is brave girl, and she is not afraid of the bear. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Scream means shout, shriek. She did not shout because she is not afraid of the bear. Or scurry. Scurry means to run away. Normally, children get afraid of the animals and they run away. But she stands there. She is not afraid of the bear. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair cup. She is not afraid of the bear. She washes her hands, straightened, makes straight, and she makes her hair cup straight. Then Isabel quietly ate the hair up. And she quietly means silently. And Isabel eats the bear silently, and you can see in the picture she is very happy to eat the bear. Now we move towards the second stanza. Once in a night as black as pitch. Pitch means black. It is a night time and it is very dark night, and Isabel met a wicked old witch, as you can see in the picture. It is an old witch. Wicked means evil, bad. The witch's face was cross. Cross means angry. The witch seems to be very angry and wrinkled. Wrinkled means crumpled. As you can see in the picture, there are crumples on her face. Crumpled you may also call in Urdu झुर्रियाँ उसके चेहरे पे पड़ी हुई हैं. The witch's gums with teeth were sprinkled, and her teeth were very big, and her teeth has come out of her mouth, and she seems to be very horrible, and she seems to be very terrifying. But Isabel is not afraid of the witch. Ho ho, Isabel, the old witch crowed. Crowed means shouted in a loud voice. She says, Isabel, I'll turn you into an ugly toad. Ugly means bad. Toad means like a frog. She says that she will change her into an ugly toad and into an ugly frog. Isabel did not worry. Isabel is not afraid of this witch. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. This is the same line as we have already studied in the first stanza. So she does not make any sound. She does not shriek. She does not shout or scurry, or she run away. She is not afraid of the witch and she does not run away. She showed no rage. Rage means anger, but she showed no rancor. Rancor means anger. So rage and anger have the same meanings. She does not show any rage, but she turned the witch into milk and drank her. But she silently changes the witch into milk and drinks her. And you can see in the picture that she is very happy to drink the witch as milk. So these are the two stanzas. The two stanzas will be read inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.